What's up, everybody? We got a WWE Undisputed for Nick B. Swear to God, every time we've ripped this, it's been a great box of cards. So let's keep up the streak here. Oh, God, let's get that 73 sell sheet off there before someone pukes. Mike, we can whisper to each other. So if that's what we gotta do, that's what we gotta do, man. Is your PS4 in your kid's room? Can't possibly be. Alright, fun little product here. I do have one box left if anybody wants a one. Look at that. A big dude flexing and a bulge. That's what we start this with. You're gonna have to whisper, bro. Rocky Johnson? That's seriously his name. Are you kidding me? This is really this dude's name. Rocky Johnson. I can't even. I can't. Doink the Clown. Undisputed Tag Teams, the Brothers of Destruction. Ryan would be in for Metal Draft. So I need one more. We got Mike, Ryan, and... what is this? Oh my God, the hit is stuck to the other hit. There we go. Okay, first of all, you've got Money Mac out of 25 parallel Undisputed Tag Teams. Undisputed Tag Teams, Money Inc. I don't even remember how many of you guys said you were in, so I'll have to scroll up and who said it first, and then those guys will get in. I think we have 5. Nia Jax, Nick. Is that a nice auto? I don't know wrestling whatsoever. NXT chick. Nia Jax. Alrighty. One auto in. One hit in. It's a really nice card. It's well done set. Sting. Johnny Hart. Becky Lynch. Nice printing plate. Who's that? That is Aiden English, NXT Prospects 101, Nick. Nia Jax is The Rock's niece? Wow. NXT 101, that is the magenta printing plate for you, Nick. Alright, this is starting out pretty well for you. In the auto, another chick. It's not an auto, never mind. Nia Jax. I guess that printing plate counted as the hit. It's kind of weird. 93 out of 99. Gold. So printing plates count as hits in this. Interesting. Alright, The Edge. Out of 99 gold. Mark Henry. Vader. Damn. Check out the fun bags on that hose hound. Little Vader. Blake. And you got another Divas auto. Lana. Looks like Gwen Stefani. 117 out of 299. Ricky Johnson is The Rock's dad. Rocky Johnson is The Rock's dad. What? That can't be right. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. So 117 out of 299. You got 2 Diva autos so far and a 101 plate of a prospect. An NXT prospect. Alright, buddy. Next pack. Rocky Johnson. It's just too much. Too freaking much. 9 out of 25. I don't know. This just says 10 packs, 1 hit per pack. Yokozuna. Papa Shango. What the hell, dude? And Tyson Kidd. And the auto is Superstar of Sin Cara. I've opened enough of this to know that's one of the whammies, from what I've been told. 221 out of 299, Sin Cara. Sweet mask, though, bro. That's really his dad, Rocky Johnson? Alright, I'm kind of believing you now. Divas, Charlotte. 97 out of 99. The daughter of Nature Boy Ric Flair. Wow, I didn't know that either. Nice. Alright. Mean Gene Okerlund. He doesn't look very mean. Zack Ryder. And Simon Gotch. Sweet stash, bro. And Alicia Fox out of 99. 13 out of 99, Alicia Fox. I thought that was Ric Flair. He says. 13 out of 99. Alright. Second half. Here we go. Got 5 hits. Let's see what your other 5 are. Diva's Eve. Oh, dear. That's, yeah. That's all I'll say. Luke Harper. Ric Flair. There's the Nature Boy. The two-man power trip. Undisputed tag teams. Let's see. That's Stone Cold. Is that... Oh, I can see it. Triple H. Okay. Damn it. I thought I was going to be smart and know one of them. And Bray Wyatt. 15 out of 50. 15 out of 50. I had no idea Rocky Johnson was Rick's dad. Or The Rock's dad. I had no idea that Rocky Johnson even existed. So I'm learning new things tonight. 15 out of 50 on the Bray Wyatt. Is he a good seller? I pulled that card for somebody else one night and they were very excited. It might have been the on-card auto of him, though. Tag teams. No clue who they are. The Brothers of Destruction. Is that Kane? Isn't that that dude? Gold, 79 out of 99. Kane and Undertaker. Ah, I should have known that was the Undertaker. 79 out of 99. Alright, in the base you got the Edge. Roman Reigns. What is that? Asuka. Okay. Okay. And the auto is Enzo Amore. 35 out of 99. How you doing? 35 out of 99. Oh, that auto, you can tell somebody put their fingerprints all over it, man. That sucks. Friggin' Topps employees. Fingerprint Relic, 101. 35 out of 99, Enzo Amore. You got 3 packs left, Nick. Come on, monster. Let's go. Mr. Perfect, Kurt Hennig. That is 6 out of 10 on that. Gold, I'm assuming? What's it mean? 8 out of 10 on the Hennig. You got Honky Tonk Man, the Big E, and Mandy Rose Divas. The hit is a Zack Ryder Relic, 107 out of 175. 07 out of 75. The Keister. Joe is the fountain of knowledge here at LCB. Hacksaw Jim Duggan. 24 out of 50. Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Sweet, I'm going home. Attaboy. Attaboy, Mike. Ryback. That dude is freaking jacked. My god. Steroids. We got X-Pac. And Samoa Joe. And Dean Ambrose. Is that a good one? 85 out of 299? I feel like I've heard that name a lot. Dean Ambrose. 85 out of 299. You got 1 hit left, Nick. Somebody let me know if that's a nice card or not. I have no idea. It could be Whammy, could be Superstar. He's the Intercontinental Champion, says Keith. I'm assuming that's good. Roman Reigns is the parallel. 73 out of 99. Aw, Mike. Might want to run the other way then, dude. Definitely a superstar. Was sore for days. Ambrose is very popular. Okay, good. We got Mr. Perfect. Bubba Ray Dudley. Oh my god, these names. Nice. The American Dream. Dusty Rhodes. Remember him a little bit from when I used to watch when I was a kid. And... nice auto. Sasha Banks. 192 out of 299. That's actually one I've pulled a couple times and was told it's a $25, $30 card, maybe? Something like that. Divas Auto. Sasha Banks on card. Such a nice product. All the cards are nice, thicker quality. On card autos, there's not too many stickers. Good stuff. There you go, Nick. You need anything else? Just let me know, my man. On the side. I know Sasha Banks. I've pulled her auto like 5 times out of this stuff. I just didn't know all the other ones. There's only one box left, guys. I'm not even sure if it's in the store. I'm going to check right now. Yeah, there's one left in the store. I got to take those packs out, too. WWE. Take those packs. We don't have those anymore, do we? No, we actually never opened one. Good. Good, 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 good. Yeah, Nick, it's in the store, buddy. Yep. I actually have a direct link to it if you want it. Here. I just happen to have it up on screen. Okay, we had a Leaf Metal Draft hit draft filled too, so let's figure out who was in that. All I have is Jumbos, Dan. That's all I have. We actually are having problems finding Hobby. It's actually starting to dry up a bit. Okay, I don't have any wacky packs, nope. Okay, so the Leaf Metal Draft, Ryan said he was in. Let me just see who was in first. Okay, so Mikey has a spot. Deca Dan has a spot. Ryan has a spot. And Mike P has a spot. Those are my 4. So, Mike P, Deca Dan, Ryan, and Mike E. That's 4, right? Okay, let me get you guys a link. And you can do English, Deca Dan. I'll give you guys a link, Ryan. That way you get points on it. Guys, go ahead and check out there. Mikey, you can send direct, of course. Points! Points! You guys get squared up with that. We're going to go ahead and rip the second WWE for Nick. Alright, Nick, good luck, buddy. I'm going to do a separate